Hello viewers, on today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this 2016 Malibu with a P06DE for oil pressure stuck on, right? It's a solenoid that's inside the engine. I'm going to show you how to replace it. The first step is take your oil cap off. We're going to drain the oil to do this. Alright, here are the parts that you're going to need. I'm going to change the oil while I'm at it. You get some RTV to reseal the oil pan, and you have the solenoid. That's the solenoid that's going bad inside the engine. We're gonna be replacing it. And we also have a new oil pan and new bolts, new drain plug. Those oil pans are one-time use, okay? So let's get to this. Put the vehicle up in the air. We're under the vehicle now. What we're gonna do is start draining the oil using a 15mm socket. There you go. Let's start the oil drain back in. 15mm bolt all around that hold the oil pan in place. $10mm. The last one in, and we're gonna use a screwdriver and a smaller pry bar. There you go. Okay, ready to come out. Take the last bolt off. There it is. Here is the part that we're gonna replace. It's this thing right here. This here. There it is. Next step is there is a C-clip up there we need to remove. Okay. It's pretty much ready to come out now. There it is. There's that guy right there. Now we're gonna replace. We're gonna put the new fluid valve in. Here it is. We're gonna put it in that way. There you go. And now let's secure our clip. There it is. And we're pretty much done here, guys, and plug everything in. There's gonna be a notch there that you could be lined up with that oil pump. We have this clipper here we're gonna use. We're gonna remove the old RTV from the end. Alright, what we're gonna do now is to add the sealer around the oil pan. We're gonna add the sealant all around here, behind the pipe. That way, you guys get what I'm saying, right? We're gonna go behind it, not here, behind it. So you will just say we're gonna use RTV engine sealant. It's the Delco from GM. I'm gonna add the link in the comment section below for this. Everything that I used today on this video is gonna be added in the comment section below. The new solenoid, the oil pan, and everything else. Okay. So they actually give you something to squeeze the tube while using it. You're gonna turn it like this, and you're gonna puncture the tube. There it is. And now you're gonna cut the hole for this. And put it back in. Okay. And we're gonna add this sealant. Half a minute. Half minutes. Like I said, you got 10 minutes to do this. Okay, so we have to make sure you have no oil around the sealing surfaces, and put the oil pan back on. Alright, there it is. You can hold this bottle, not too tight. First work is 89-inch pound. We're gonna work inside, go inside out. I'm gonna go pretty much in the quick pattern to make sure the oil pan is seated.